Okay, next one with a bit of a head strumming sound in the background is the antenna, Mazda speed antenna. That screw tail on there should be nice and easy. Okay, so it should be easy, apart from the bit that came out, which I imagine is off the original aerial, or antenna. As it's got like a male thread on there, so the one that came through the post, it's got a female thread. Okay, so that's the size that needs to go inside the car, so I need that male size to go inside the aerial mount. And then this side, I need a bigger male. Not sure if it's focusing for you, but yeah, I need to. It's going to be bigger, so maybe the next M size screw up from that. So say if that was M5, it might need to be M6. So I might need like a double-ended male M5. At a guess, M6 at a guess for that, like double-ended male, so the male bit can go in, and then have another male M6 larger screw coming out, so that this can go on top of it. Just double check inside the packaging. Oh yes, okay. I should have just opened this. Yeah, so big end in the antenna. Squish, and then what comes out at the end is fantastic. But yeah, good, nice, similar size. No instructions provided, but I mean, as long as you look at all the stuff in the pack, it's pretty straightforward. So I don't know why there's two different washers. I mean, two supplied washers, but I mean, am I supposed to use two? I mean, one looks okay to me. I suppose you've got different screw adapters in here, so maybe some of them, some of the cars, maybe like a Mazda 3, maybe you'd use two washers, or I don't know. Maybe they just try to make it universal. Anyway, let's give this a go. So yeah, I know I've got a stubby antenna or a duck antenna, I think called duck antennas, something to do with the walkie-talkies and TV radios or whatever. But yeah, that's what I did have, just this. So that was what my radio antenna was. I mean, it works pretty well without it, but in the hills and on the motorways, it was yeah, definitely cutting out and getting that waves of noise and then nothing and cutting out. So yeah, I mean, anything's going to be better than that, right?